Hello, hi dear Pisces. A very good morning to you guys. So this is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from 21st of May till 31st of May, or you can say May end. So keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, so let's start. So I'll tap into your partner's current energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 31st of May. Okay, this is how my reading goes. So let's see your partner's current energy right now, Pisces, is your partner's current energy is King of Swords. So I feel like, okay, this person is gaining some kind of mental clarity because the King of Swords is a sharp and intelligent man, and they don't play any kind of games or mind games or anything like that. They're very clear about their intention of what they want from a particular situation or person or journal in life. So I feel like this person is gaining the clarity of what they want from this life or this connection as of now. So let's clarify their current energy as the King of Swords. King of Swords, let's clarify. So this person is very clear about their intentions right now, and they're not ready to have any kind of mind games or anything like that in their life. Let's clarify. This is the Seven of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Lovers. Yes, this person is out of any kind of confusion. This is the Seven of Cups. They are not at all confused in their life right now because they feel like all they want is stability in their life and all they want to have a loving and caring relationship. Okay, so this person is coming out of any kind of confusion that they were in. Might be they were in a confusion in the recent past, but now they are very clear about their intention that all they want from a connection is stability and happiness, and they want to have a beautiful loving relationship. You could be dealing with a Gemini here. So this person is very clear about their intention of this connection. They are in love with you, and all they want from this connection is stability, long term stable relationship or connection. Let's see what your current energy is right now, Pisces. Your current energy right now is Three of Cups, reconciliation, celebration. So I feel like you are celebrating something. Okay, you might be in the celebration zone right now, might be you are with your family or taking a vacation or doing something, or it could simply mean that this is the energy of reconciliation. If you guys are apart from each other from a very long time, now I feel like you are feeling this energy of reconciliating with your partner, talking to them, and having a great time with them, meeting them after so long. Let's clarify further. It could also mean something else. Clarification is required. So let's see. The Star, the Magician, and the Three of Cups again. So I feel like you are very hopeful about this particular connection in your life, and you're manifesting a reconciliation. So this is the Magician card. So this is a big time manifestation. You are manifesting this person in your life or this reconciliation in your life 24 into 7. So the manifestation, the magician to me is a big time manifester. Whatever they feel like they should get in life, they keep on manifesting this particular thing because they use law of attraction in their favor. So I feel like you are very hopeful and positive about this particular connection. You could be dealing with Aquarius or Gemini, I told you. So I feel like you are manifesting a reconciliation with this particular person because Three of Cups came two times in your current energy. Okay, very hopeful about this particular connection and manifesting reconciliation. Might be you guys are in a long distance relationship and you want to meet this particular person, or might be you guys were not talking to each other and now you guys are feeling these types of beautiful feelings for each other. Nice. So let's see what your partner feels for you, Pisces. The Devil. I feel like your person is somewhat feeling like obsessed with you. Obsession is not a negative word, so I feel like your person is kind of feeling obsessed with you. This is the Devil energy. They feel like wherever they are going, they are just thinking about you. You have possessed them in a beautiful way, not in a negative way. The Devil, for some people it is a very negative card, but in this regard, in this situation, I am getting positive vibes from this particular card. So I feel like your person is right now feeling obsessed with you, a little obsessed with you. So they are feeling like they are thinking about you 24 into 7, and they are tied down to you, and uh, This could also mean a little toxic, okay? But I feel like they are obsessed with you, and this is a beautiful energy. Let's clarify. The devil, Ace of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. So I told you this is beautiful obsessiveness. So I feel like you, this person, Ace of Cups, this person is developing brand new love feelings for you. They want to offer you something solid and committed, and they want to have a family with you, to have a happily ever after with you. This is what they are feeling right now. Okay, so right now they are being overwhelmed with their emotions. They are thinking about you 24 into 7. They are ready to offer you something beautiful, committed, something very very practical, and something. This person is basically very down to earth. Let me tell you first thing, because the King of Pentacles is a person who's very down to earth and dependable and loyal as well, and all they want from you is a happily ever after family, a good family. This is what they are feeling for you. Good. Thinking about you 24 into 7. Nice. Okay, let's see what they want from you. Pisces, what this particular person wants from you. Let's see. Six of Pentacles, equal give and take. So I feel like this person wants to share their life with you, and they want equal energy from your side as well. Equal give and take. This is beautiful energy of exchanging energies between both the parties. So all this person wants from you is equal give and take. If they feel like if they are putting in the effort, you should also do that. If they are putting in the love, you should also do that. This is what they feel. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles further. The Hermit, the Three of Swords, and the Empress. I feel like this person wants you to, come out of this hurtful or resentment phase. Okay, they want you to go inside of your heart, and realize that yes, you also have feelings for this particular person, because I feel like you had a heartache in the recent past, or you guys fight with each other in the recent past, or there was something else, or there was someone else in the equation that hurted you. Okay, this could also mean like that. Okay, for some of you it is possible, and they want you to be in this phase of caring for yourself, loving yourself, and be a beautiful energy again, and after this situation, to have equal give and take in this energy. This is what they want from you. This is what the story behind this equal give and take is. What to expect from this person till 31st of May? Let's see. The devil is looking at me like that. But don't get scared when devil comes out in the reading. It is sometimes it is negative if the negative cards are around, but sometimes it is very very positive as well. Okay, what they want from you is the High Priestess. They want what to expect from this person till 31st of May. The High Priestess, listening to their intuition. They are finally listening to their intuition regarding this particular connection, and I feel like they are coming towards you, but I don't feel like they are coming towards you in this energy of proposing you, or telling you that they want you, or they want to have a relationship with you. Let's clarify further. It just means that they are tapping into their spiritual side, and they're listening to their intuition. Their intuition is very high right now. Let's clarify the High Priestess. Five of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Yes, they are trusting their intuition, they are listening to their intuition, and they feel like there was something that happened in the past, and they felt like you left them in the cold, or they left you in the cold. It could also mean like they did something wrong, or you did something wrong. But after this situation is over, now they are feeling lots of love. See, this is the King of Cups. I feel like their love is going towards a decreasing phase, because might be you didn't reciprocated the way you should be, or you were not ready for this connection. There was something that happened in this connection. Now this person was very very obsessed with you, but now I feel like this person is developing feelings for you, but they are scared of you, if this is making sense to you. So for the people who are going through this shit, they will really make a sense out of it. Okay, so I feel like this person is right now trusting their intuition, and they feel like you will not leave them in the cold, or They will now not leave you in the cold, or leave you unattended or something like that. And I feel like this person was very, 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 very possessive about you. They were all into you, but now they are making themselves stable regarding this particular connection. They are trying to make their emotions stable. Okay, they are trying to just make it control their emotions regarding this particular connection, because they feel like you can feel the overwhelming possessive energy towards you. That is why right now it might be they are taking a break, and might be they are now right now trying to conceal their emotions. I feel like this person is coming towards you after listening to their intuition, but I don't feel like this person is coming towards you. Might be they will say you, let's start all over again, or let's have some kind of beautiful friendship thing, or let's just be friends first. This is their energy. This is what their energy is. But deep down, all they want from you is a happily ever after. Let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys, Pisces. Love call. Yes, someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Yes, this person is also hoping for reconciliation. They are very, very positive about this thing. So I feel like you are, yes, you are getting a call from this particular person. Yeah, someone is going to express their love to you. Okay, but I don't feel like this is going to be a marriage offer right now or a commitment offer right now. But yes, there's something beautiful coming towards you, Pisces, and this is the brand new beginning of the same relationship. Okay, might be for some of you it is a total new person coming in towards you. Yeah. So Pisces, I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and it will help you to overcome the obstacles that you're facing right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. Thank you.